We gotta cook a beautiful steam leek from start to finish, guys. Come along. Hi guys, welcome to Saltfish Kitchen today, guys. In Saltfish Kitchen we have an awesome delicious recipe for you guys today. We're gonna do a beautiful leek recipe. We have 2 stalks of leek here. What we're gonna do, we have half a stalk of spring onion, we have 4 medium-sized carrot, we have 1 pack of boneless saltfish, we have a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, we have a 1/4 teaspoon of chili flakes, we have a 1/4 teaspoon of all-purpose season, we have 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, we have a half of medium-sized white onion, we have a half of yellow bell pepper, we have 3 cloves of garlic, and we have half of red bell pepper. So in Saltfish Kitchen, guys, beautiful, delicious recipe we're gonna do. So the first thing we're gonna do, guys, we're gonna wash this saltfish. We're gonna wash off some of the salt off the saltfish before we put it in the pot to boil. We're gonna let it boil for around 10 minutes. We're gonna get out some of the salt out of it. But what we're doing now, we're gonna wash off some of the salt off this. Yes, guys, what we're gonna do now, guys, we're gonna add in the saltfish in the pot. We'll wash it 2 times. So we're gonna add it with some boiling water. Let that to boil up, but don't put the lid on it when you're boiling because you don't want the saltfish to boil over in the fire. So keep the lid off. So we're just gonna cut them up. Yes, my beautiful people, the saltfish been cooked boiling down for the last 10 minutes. It finished now. I threw off the first water. This is the second water. So all the salt is coming out of it. So I'm just going to throw it off. Add some more cool water to it. Then you're ready to go with steam with the leek, guys. Yes, my beautiful people, what I'm going to do now is going to add in the olive oil. You can use any type of cooking oil for your preference, for your like. It's optional. Add in my onion, garlic, so right now, guys, that's gonna add in my leek. Stir that leek with that onion and that garlic together. Then we're gonna add in the saltfish, guys. You can prepare this recipe if you don't want to add saltfish in it. You can go ahead. What we're gonna do now, add in our powder season, all-purpose season, chili flakes, garlic powder. We're gonna give this a nice stir so all of that season to combine with that saltfish, with that leek. Just notice, guys, I don't add any water to this. I'm gonna put the lid on it. Beautiful recipe, guys. So we're gonna add in our carrot. Ooh, carrot is nice. So give that carrot to that leek a nice mix. Yes, my beautiful people, look at that, guys. For the last three minutes, it's steaming, coming down nicely. See, you don't add any water to that, guys. Let it sweat your own water. So what I'm gonna do now, guys, I'm just gonna add in the bell pepper and the spring onion. So the bell pepper is going in. Having the red bell pepper, spring onion. Give that a nice thorough look and that beautiful color where that have, guys, with that carrot and that bell pepper with that leek. So I'm gonna go in a little bit of salt, guys. Make sure if you're gonna put in salt, all the salt in last, because the saltfish have a little bit of salt in it. So we'll taste it first, and if you need any more salt, we had salt in it. Don't add salt in it with the saltfish, because you don't want to over. Yes, my beautiful people. So this is all finished now, guys. This is all finished. Look at that beautiful steam leek with a carrot, with a bell pepper, with a onion, with a garlic, with a salted fish, with a carrot. Beautiful recipe, guys. This is all finished, guys. You guys can check out this recipe and let me. Thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. Please like the video before you go, and if you don't subscribe, please subscribe before you go, and please check out the channel for us at the awesome delicious recipe in Selvin Kitchen, guys. Stay safe. I will see you, my beautiful people, in the next video in Selvin Kitchen. Please like the video and please subscribe before you go. Stay safe. Lot of love.